Welcome to Tech Talk with Koenig Equipment. I'm Curtis Ship. Today we're going to talk about Setup Data Sync and Operations Center. Let's get to it.
In today's world, it is really hard to stay organized when you have 3, 4, 5, or more displays in your farming operation. Setup Data Sync is a new feature that will simplify your life and make things much easier. You'll have no more setup files, no more messing around with USB sticks, and no more mismatched data between all of your displays. If you create an A/B line in your corn planter, it's going to automatically show up in your sprayer. If you add a new field in Operations Center, it's going to automatically show up in your displays in real time in just a matter of seconds. Soon, variety locator files will automatically appear in the combine as well. This is a feature that does require JD-Link on your machines and Gen 4 displays. If we'd like to turn on Data Sync, simply go from the map, go to the Setup tab in Operations Center, and click on Data Sync. You can learn about how Data Sync works, syncing all your displays together with the information in Operations Center. It's simply going to look at what's in your displays and what's in Operations Center. If the item exists on the display, but not in Operations Center, it will be removed from your displays and put in the archive of Operations Center. If it exists in Operations Center, but not in your display, that data will automatically be sent to all your displays. In order to turn on Data Sync, simply click Next in the bottom right corner. Then it will review the information that you're about ready to sync. We highly recommend you go through your Operations Center and get things cleaned up before turning on. Click Next again, and then you can choose what items will be available and how they will be treated when you first upload things to Operations Center. In most cases, you'll want to leave everything as available. Then you'll see the machines in your organization, and you have the ability to check mark the ones you want to enable data sync with, and then simply hit Enable Displays.
Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk with Koenig Equipment. For more how-tos, visit the customer training section on our Koenig Equipment mobile app. See you next time.